2 fam, back at it with another one. I didn't get no video of me doing this process because, as you can see, it's dark outside. So I'm just gonna show y'all for now, but I am gonna come back tomorrow after I clean them up and stuff, and so that way y'all can see them a little bit better and y'all can see what they actually look like. But without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all. I'm not even gonna waste no more time. Yeah, I did a little something. I got rid of them other rounds and came up with these. My boy hooked me up with them. I ain't even gonna cap on it. He definitely hooked me up with them. Appreciate you, Jeremiah, my bad. Definitely appreciate it for sure. They look good. And like I said, you ain't getting the full gist of it right now. Cause like I said, the car's dirty. I'm gonna do all the cleaning. I don't know if I'm gonna clean the whole car tomorrow cause it's supposed to rain. But I am gonna clean these up a little bit so y'all can see them a little bit better. But when I tell you it looks good on this car, my guy. Like, it looks good. Hold on, let me give you a side shot cause I don't even think y'all getting the full, you know what I'm saying? Staggered, you know what I'm saying? They definitely got a little bit more poke than my last ones did in the back. That is for sure. But yes, sir. Y'all ain't seen that yet, but like I said, if y'all ain't already, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe right there. There it is. You already on the channel, so why not go ahead and do it? You know you want to. But anyways, y'all, yeah, look at the poke. Like I said, it ain't stupid crazy, but it's definitely a poke, and you can definitely tell the difference from my last rims to these rims. You can definitely tell the difference, and just the tires too. I ain't gonna say it's the rims, mainly the tires and how they staggered or whatnot. You can definitely feel it. I already got dirt on it, fucking pulling the driveway. It's crazy, but yeah, y'all. Like I said, I'll do a day shot for y'all tomorrow after I clean them up and all that good stuff. But yeah, she's coming along, y'all. Y'all know I still got to do some stuff around here, but it's about to get cold, so I ain't just too much tripping about it. But on the deal that I got on these, like I said, I pretty much sold my other ones and paid the same price I got these. And these is a hell of a lot better, good tree and everything. But like I said, y'all, I'm gonna end it right there, as y'all can see, because it's dark. Like I said, I just had to show y'all. I couldn't contain my damn self, so I had to show y'all, so y'all know, y'all see it in the morning. All right, y'all, I'll be back. So if you're following me and you're in the videos, you know that I had black rims. Buddy of mine was selling some rims, and I had already had my old rims posted, so I sold my old rims and bought these rims. It was nighttime, so I didn't bother to make a video of it. But we went bigger rim and bigger tire. We went 245, 45, 20s on the front, and then we hit them with that staggered setup with the 275, 45, 20s on the back. Hit y'all with the side view right quick. So it looks mean, right? And if y'all haven't seen yet, there's my sticker. So like I said, y'all see it there. So y'all already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, throw me a comment. You know, I'll be there with it. But anyways, back to the story at hand. We got these rims off a buddy of mine. Damn good rims. I love them. They look good on the car. But staggered setup on the all-wheel drive, I guess if you get it down to the exact specs, might work, but in my case, did not work at all. Hence the reason why I didn't make the video for y'all, because she tore something out doing that, which I should have did more research on it, but I thought that it would work from what little bit of research that I did see. But obviously I didn't do enough, nor did I do the right specs on the rim sizes and stuff. I mean, the tire sizes. So, like I said, it ripped something out. Oh, excuse me. It ripped out my CV axles. Not necessarily ripped them out to where they came off the car. I pulled them off myself. But I'm gonna post a video right here. And as you can see, with me doing the stagger setup on this car, with the not necessarily the offset, but the tires and the rim setup that I have, it took one of the CV axles, passenger side to be exact, it took a CV axle and I don't know, it rammed it into the housing for the CV axles, busted it and cracked it, as you can see it there in the video where I circled it. So now Mr. Hemi Pursuit is down, but I have some CV axles on the way, and I have a front diff on the way. Excuse me, I couldn't think of it just a minute ago. But the front diff, it busted the side of the front diff cover off. So that's why I didn't make a video for y'all. But I am gonna make a video for y'all of me attempting to put it back in myself. I've seen, you know, kind of what I have to do to get to it, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, y'all. But I'm gonna try my best to bring y'all along so y'all can see it. But I just wanted to let y'all know why I didn't, well, I mean, I'm doing the video now, but why I didn't, it's been a minute for me to get that video because, like I said, I had to turn around and order parts, and I got some family stuff going on, so I had to put it on the back burner. But we're gonna get it together. But look at them, man. Look at that, y'all, though. Don't mind the car's dirty. I ain't washed it because it's been snowing and raining down here, so it ain't really been no point in me washing it. But look at it. It just looks so good. The stagger set looks so good. But like I said, I'm gonna have to go back to the squared look. Yeah, because as of right now, this is not gonna work, and I'd be dang if I get all these parts and break these new parts. Ain't got time. All right, y'all, so story time. So as y'all seen in the video, I had got some new rims and stuff, and I didn't do all the research that I should have done from Jump Street, and I've never had to deal with the all-wheel drive system. Other than this car, I've only had one with all-wheel drive system, and I never thought even about putting a stagger setup on it. But anyways, just to go ahead and let y'all know now, a stagger setup on the all-wheel drive, for at least for the Charger, for the Pursuit Charger, it can be done, but you have to make sure your tire rotation and the tire sizes is the same. And what I mean by that is on my front tires I have 245 45 20s, and on the back now I have 275 30 20s. What caused the issue was on the back before I had switched them was 275 45 20s, and I guess it's a little bit taller than the front. So what happened was, is I'm assuming either the front or the back was spinning faster. So whenever it dropped all-wheel drive or picked up all-wheel drive, it would send a surge to the front diff, I can't talk. To the front diff, which caused it to, I'm guessing it just caused the CV axles to jump or whatever. I don't know how it happened, but it caused it to pretty much explode the front diff in a sense. It can be done. The perfect size that I found out so far is 315 30 20s for the back if you're gonna run 245 45 20s in the front. That's like a 0% all the way around, like everything other than the rim size. I mean the rim width and stuff like that is different, of course, but that don't really matter. But the 315 with the 245 is pretty much the same tire rotation speed and all of that good stuff. That's what I'm going to end up going to, is the 315s. At first I didn't think that I could put 315s on the back, for the simple fact I didn't know if it would rub or not. But after talking to a couple different people, it can be done. And the worst already, the all-wheel drive system, it already kind of pokes out a little bit, so I really don't have to worry about that as much. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. But if you are wanting to run a stagger setup on an all-wheel drive, you have to make sure that the tire size and rotation is going to be the same. So how I figured it out was I checked on tire, I want to say it's tire calculators. There's a whole bunch of them online. and I just took them down the dimensions of the tire, of the original tire, which it'll say the old tire. So that's your front tire, and then the new tire will be your back tires. And I just plugged in different tire sizes, and on a few of them it'll tell you what's the perfect matchup for them, and it'll give you like a list of if all the stuff is equal, other than, like I said, the is equal other than the diameter, excuse me, Lord, of the rim, which, like I said, don't really make much of a difference. It'll tell you if it's equal to or how much, excuse me, y'all, or it'll tell you how much off it is, you know, like the Lord Jesus. Our daughter in this iPad thing. But anyways, it'll tell you the how much different it is from that front tire, which the 275 30 20s, my bad, is like 7%, which you can't be no greater than 0.03, I want to say it is, or 0.3. I could never figure that part out because I've seen some people say 0.3, or, you know, and then it's obviously 0.03, so I don't know if they mean into 0.03 or 0.3, which is 0.30. So I have mine right now to 7%, which is like a 1% difference. I mean a point. I have to pull it up. I might find it and install it here. As you can see here, this the tire calculator that I was referring to. It shows the first one is showing what I started out with, which caused the problem, and then what I have now, and then what I'm going to. All of them show is a little bit different. On here, this one in particular is showing that I have a 0. My percentage difference is 0, but on the other one it's showing like a 0.03 difference. So you just have to check. But you have to make sure it's like I said, as low as you can. Like I said, with that tire setup that I've just told y'all, with the 245 45 20s in the front and the 275 30 20s in the back, I'm literally it's at the max. But like I said, I am gonna go to the 315, so it'll put it to 0% all the way around, so it'll be even with the front off rip. So I ain't even gonna worry about that. But I have been driving it for a few weeks now, and I've not had no problems. So I just want to let y'all know that. And like I said, I did have a video showing y'all how to, well, I started a video, I should say, of me doing the work. But when I tell you, this is probably one of the hardest jobs that I've done personally. It was a handful, because you got to disconnect the subframe and then the engine from the subframe and then drop the subframe. There's another way you can do it if you got like a car lift, but me, I'm doing it outside on jacks. So, but me personally, I feel like that was an easier way than the way I've seen it, because if you do it the other way, you gotta undo the exhaust, and you still gotta I believe, if I'm not mistaken, you still have to disconnect the engine from the the subframe. So, or the motor mounts, whatever however you want to call it. Well, you still have to disconnect from the subframe to be able to jack the engine up. So, but the way I did it, I had to clear what's name to it. It was just aggravating because a lot of the stuff I didn't have, so I had to go get it or source it or find somebody that had it. Had to do cutting on some stuff because some of my bolts were stripped and stuff. It was a clusterfuck. And like I said, I started the beginning of the video, and after that I was like, fuck this, because it literally took me I want to say almost a week to do it, just for some fact I was doing it by myself, and I didn't have all the tools that I should have had going into this. But if y'all would like me to do a walkthrough video, meaning I'm not finna take all this stuff back out, I'm not finna do all that, but what I can do for y'all is I can jack it up and show y'all what I took off, and just kind of give y'all kind of play by play. So if y'all would like that, go to the comment section and comment, you know. And if I get a few people just wanting to see that, I'll do that for y'all. But yeah, man, excuse me, I ain't gonna say man. Yeah, y'all. She's back running now, so I'm happy, but it is definitely a job. It's definitely a job. So more videos to come. So make sure, like I said, y'all like, comment, and subscribe so y'all can see what's next, because I do have some more stuff coming and I got some more stuff planned. So with that being said, peace.